Let's start by getting our software requirements so that we can work. So the first one we're going to pull, we're going to go and look upon Visual Studio. We can call it Visual Studio Blend, and it will share our location so that we can look upon this. I just want to check Visual Studio 2019. We have download button. Still looking. We want to use another version because we don't want it. So we're looking 2019, download. We don't want that framework to be overwhelming. I don't want it to have it on a different settings. So we have here Visual Studio Professional, Visual Studio Community. So do we not require a key? Then we go for download. And now it's getting downloaded. Once we have it, the installer is going to be pulled. And the things we just need to know, it's what should we install for doing Revit adding plugins. Revit plugins, we're using the Revit API. So the installer is going to show us all the alternatives we require. Once we have it, we should look for the following options. Yeah, this is just gonna update. And looking upon the options, we want to have development on ASP.NET. We may also require, we do not require it for this course, but it will be helpful to have already Python and Node.js so that we are working server if we want to connect to Forge in the future. We need to have on desktop development of .NET so we can work on WPF, Forms, and C#. That will be the basic one we're going to be using, and I think that's it. Anything else you find interesting that you may want to use in the future, you can anytime upload it or modify it so that you will have it. So in this case, I'm just leaving it with those requirements. And once you have it installed, now we can start working with it.